Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video, I am showing you guys the teacher's crate that I got for the month of June. So I think that this will be my last teacher crate until I actually go back in August. So I'll start it back up in July. That way what they send me in July will probably be for whatever is going to be for when I do go back in person again for the new school year. All right, so here is the teacher's crate for the month of June. This is getting ready to be my last week. My last day of school is June 10th. So you guys get to see this video before my last day. So I have a cute little beach koozie where it has these pineapples and flowers, watermelon and leaves on it. This is going to fit a can in. This is adorable. Inside, I also have some cute bees. This is by CTP. It has 36 pieces, and it looks like it comes with all three of these different cutouts. These are 6-inch designer cutouts. There's 12 of the 3 designs. These are for children, teachers, and parents, and these could easily be used for wall decoration and things like that. Also in the teacher's crate, I have some washi tape that has an apple and a pencil on it. And I could easily use this for anything. Also deep down in here, I have a set of 8 Pocket Pal mini journals. So it looks like they all have different quotations on them. Make today ridiculously amazing. Be the type of person you want to meet. We are not old until regrets start taking the places of dreams. Live in the moment. If you change nothing, nothing will change, etc. So there's 8 mini journals in here. They're lined sheets and it is stitch bind. And these are really, really adorable. Can't wait to use those, especially when you need that walking around the building and working with kids and having to report things back. So in today's box, there is a very cute summer shirt. So I am an extra large. I do think that when I switch my box, I'm going to slim it down to a large. Today's shirt says summer is short, make it sweet with a pineapple. This is so adorable. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on me. And just like that, I've put it on over top of my work outfit already for today. Summer is short, make it sweet. So this is a shirt that I'm going to be wearing on Monday, and there will be a couple other teacher shirts that I'll be wearing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which is our half a day, in order to get ready for the final countdown of the last few days of our school year. So if you would like this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you also would love to subscribe to my channel, please do. Stick around and stay tuned. I definitely still have some content that will be coming out this summer, as we'll be preparing basically to get right back in the drift of things. I'm also still doing a couple student teachings coming up, and I'm also still taking classes towards my bachelor's degree. So I am still working on that, and also want to share as many tips and things like that as I can, as I am journeying into becoming an actual teacher and not an IA. So thanks guys so much for joining me today to watch my unboxing of the Teacher's Crate. The link for the Teacher's Crate will be linked down below. No, they are not sponsoring me, but I wish that they would. Anyways, guys, check it out. If you're a teacher, be sure to order your teacher's subscription box because they're great. Who can't go without it?